Yuaruok ne oneno e kind tend sirikand kaunti ma Migori e kinde gik mabende seneta makono Eddy Oketch kaachiel koda gavana ma kaunti ma Migori Ochilo koro ni to ne opogore paro kotenore koda wach weche gik mag dongruoge mopogore opogore ka oriwo nyaka pi onogo mano ma yudore e gwenge ko kata pi ma ong'ere kaka mar bongo raga. Kalure koda seneta Oketch oyango ni omenda mabende osetigodo e chenro mar pi makamano en omenda ma oheo shillings milion 80 e kindego eko mabende gavana ma kaunti makono yango ni nyaka ne odonji apisi osetiyo koda omenda noendo mano maromo shillings milion 12.3 e chenro mar gedo mar pi onogo ma bongo raga.
And some people said that I am questioning things from Nairobi and I'm only in Kalapapla. Today I've come here with what was called a Othewe.
Bongo Raga is one of the projects that is a novel project. It was designed in the year 2020 by the administration led by my predecessor, Governor Obado. It had been budgeted to consume 110 million.
The substitution of this pipe, because this was not functional at the time of Obado, this was wrongly channeled. The substitution for this pipe is that pipe there. Then the biggest facility here ought to be the piping system all the way up.
Unfortunately for my senator, he visits the project without any technical person. He visits the project without the auditors. My senator has basic knowledge. He may not have technical knowledge in water matters, which he really needed if he needed to go there.
2023 and 2024, the current county government allocated 59.3 million to do this proper piping from this place all the way up.
The previous administration implemented, I think, one of the phases, paid 8 million in the year 2021. In the year 2021-2022, they again paid 13.5 million. We came into office because of the dire situation in which the people of Kachieng Ward in Asori needed water. We took over this project. We implemented the second phase, and we paid during that phase a total of 12.5 million. To think of importation of certain things that would be required to fix it and make it work. My administration owes the contractor working on that project 25 million that has not been paid, and the reason we haven't paid it, we will not pay it until the project yields water.